So you were originally in Russia?
I was born in Georgia, yeah. 41 years ago. You know, I used to be this size in my mother's womb. This size. Look what happened to me. אני אומר, הפעם הייתי בגודל של פופקורן. ברחם שלי משל.
But the fact that you feel dignity and wear a suit and are dressed up is very nice.
Of course, it's important. You can make a great slogan out of it.
What?
You can make a great slogan out of it.
What?
Popcorn gives you dignity. Popcorn gives you dignity.
How long have you been selling popcorn?
15 years.
Really?
You know how many bags like this I saw? Thousands of bags. Thousands of bags.
And you have a family too?
No. I'm single.
And you're religious?
I don't really know what that means. I'm a human being.
But the idea, you said you wanted to be a physicist, but this was more of a...
This is more a challenge. This thing teaches you to get to know people. And also it teaches you that you are a person also. And that's why it's a bigger challenge. It's a bigger challenge to be a human being, believe me. If you would ask Einstein, he would say the same thing.
If what?
If you would ask Einstein, Albert Einstein, he would say the same thing. Why? Because that's what we want. We want to be people. That's our destiny. To be able to connect with each other, with ourselves. And popcorn is one way to do that. Most people, if they want to spend an evening, they would go to a restaurant, not to a star, whatever. Why is that?
Yeah.
It's more human.
But you studied to be a physicist? Or?
Yeah.
I'm not being sarcastic. I'm just seriously.
That was my dream, but now I have different dreams.
And your dream now?
My dream is to move people, to remind people that they are people. You know what I mean? For example, one of the most amazing things that makes us people is that we make a mistake and we can fix it. That's something very, very human. I've hurt someone, I can apologize. That's human. It's human. But it's very hard. Why? It's very hard. It's not easy to be a human being, believe me.